Why are you causing problems?
Hello, neighbor. Hey, pretty. Okay, the cat ain't doing nothing but looking. Stop it.